Welcome to the massive open online course MOOC on the history of ancient India II. The period covered during this course was undoubtedly a significant phase in the course of ancient Indian history. The Brahmanic tradition faced the first philosophical challenge from the Upanishads, which was followed by the rise of heterodox sects. The period under discussion also underwent a change in the socio-economic structures of the society. The period is an epoch-making one so far as the development in art, literature and architecture are concerned. The course offers a first-hand information and understanding about the rich cultural heritage of our past. It will enable the students to have a thorough understanding of the different aspects of Indian culture. The course has an appeal to all who are interested in knowing their past heritage. So, enjoy the diversity of the course with me. Good luck.